Look closely at your screen. Right now, someone just like you is deciding to start an online business. They are full of motivation. But in exactly 6 months, they will have $0 to show for it. But of course, their bank account will be depleted, they will be completely burnt out, and they will quit forever. Why? Because they are falling into the biggest, most dangerous trap on the internet. They actually believe they can piece together a 6-figure income by watching fragmented, outdated, free YouTube tutorials. But today, I am going to expose exactly why that free approach is secretly keeping you broke, and what you absolutely must do instead if you want to build real wealth in 2026. If you are exhausted from fake gurus, hidden agendas, and endless confusion, do not click away. You have just found the most important video you will watch all year. Let's have a brutally honest conversation. Every single day, thousands of people wake up wanting financial freedom. Do you want to escape the 9-to-5 grind, work from your laptop, and take control of your time?
So they open YouTube. And what do they find? They get bombarded by 19-year-olds.
I'm telling you that dropshipping dead products and doing shady crypto trades is not the answer.
Or taking online surveys will make them millionaires by next Tuesday. These fake gurus give you just enough surface-level information to make you feel like you are learning something valuable. But here is the dirty little secret. They purposely hide the exact mechanics that actually make the money. They give you the puzzle pieces, but they throw away the picture on the box. They want you confused, so you keep coming back for more views. Listen to me. Here is the ugly truth. Trying to build a profitable, sustainable business using free, scattered video is the most expensive mistake you can make. Why? Because you are paying with your most valuable asset, your time. You pay with months of painful trial and error. You pay with lost motivation. While you are trying to guess how the algorithm works or how to set up a high-converting sales funnel, the people who are actually making real money are using proven systems. That is exactly why this channel exists. Welcome to your new home. Consider this your sanctuary away from the BS, the hype, and the noise. On this channel, our mission is radically different. We do not teach fluffy theory. We do not sell you on temporary loopholes that will get your accounts banned tomorrow. We focus entirely on data-backed business frameworks and real wealth-building strategies that are working right now. We break down high-leverage business models, like high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you don't even need to create your own product or handle customer service. You just connect hungry buyers with world-class products and collect massive commissions. We talk about YouTube automation, digital real estate, and building email lists that act like virtual ATMs. But we don't just talk about them. We break them down into actionable steps. Now, there is one specific battle-tested system that is quietly creating more independent earners right now than anything else we have ever seen. It bypasses almost all the technical headaches beginners face. I am going to tell you exactly how you can copy and paste that exact system in just a minute. But first, you might be asking, why should I trust you? Because I have been the person staring at the glowing screen at 2 a.m., completely overwhelmed and frustrated. I have bought the terrible, overpriced courses that were nothing but recycled Wikipedia articles. I have tested the failed strategies. I have spent thousands of hours and tens of thousands of dollars and figuring out what actually works, and more importantly, what is a complete scam. I built this channel to be the ultimate filter I wish I had when I first started. We test the methods, we analyze the data, and we bring you only the absolute best. And welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. We focus on the most efficient strategies for generating a sustainable income in the digital space. Here is a fact that separates the rich from the poor. The wealthy do not guess. They do not waste time reinventing the wheel. They buy speed. They invest in knowledge that is already packaged, proven, and ready to deploy. They don't buy courses filled with endless theory. They invest in blueprints. And Rike sur mieux pour tout honneur. And that brings me to the secret system I mentioned earlier. The absolute fastest way to your first $1,000 and eventually your first $10,000 month online is by finding a blueprint that is already working flawlessly for others and replicating it step by step. If you are completely serious about changing your financial situation this year, and you are finally done wasting time with free fluff, you need to draw a line in the sand today. Down in the description of this video, I have linked the exact step-by-step blueprint that I personally recommend for anyone starting out. T-Post Info. This isn't just another generic video course. It is a complete A to Z system designed to take you from absolute beginner to generating consistent daily online income. It gives you the templates, the funnels, and the exact roadmap. Click that link right now, go check out the blueprint, and take the shortcut to success. And before you leave, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We are dropping high-value breakdowns and profit strategies every single week. And you do not want to miss out on the next wave of opportunity. Welcome to the channel. Stop guessing, start building. Let's get to work.